Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this body wave brown highlight wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and styled it, continue watching. In today's video, I will be working with Arabella Hair Company, so I'm going to show you guys what I received. So in this bag of goodies, I got a wig cap, a melt band, some eyelashes, an edge control brush, a hair accessory, and of course the wig itself. So this wig was a frontal body wave wig. It had brown highlights in it. As you can see, it was 180 density, and this was a 13x4 frontal wig. It also had the combs, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, 1 at the back. It came with an adjustable band inside, and it also had the adjustable bands that also come with the wig. So this is how it's looking. And yeah, we're gonna get into this tutorial. As always, I like to have some straight braids going back. So I normally do 6 braids. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Got2b Free spray and just spray my hairline and brush away any hairs that may get in my way. Next, I'm going in with my wig cap, and I'm just going to put it over my braids. I do not do the bald cap method, so I'm just sliding it a bit back behind my hairline. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to brush that concealer all over the frontal portion and also on the front portion of the wig cap. Now I'm just going to cut off the extra lace at the back of the wig because we do not need it. I used a razor because I couldn't find my scissors. But yeah, you just want to remove that extra lace and then go ahead and put the wig on your head. So you always want to make sure you fit the wig to see how it fits your head. So I like to use my hot comb to comb all the hair back so I can see exactly how the hairline is looking and you know if the wig is too big, too small. So now I'm going to go ahead and part out my ear tabs. And this is just the extra lace that we are going to cut off. That way our ear can sit properly and there's no extra lace covering the ear portion. So once the wig is fitting how you want it to fit, I'm just going to go ahead, pull the wig back, and I'm going in with my Ebin adhesive spray, and I'm just going to spray it along my hairline. And you just want to dab that in a bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull the wig forward. So once I've laid the wig back onto the adhesive, I'm just using my comb to kind of press it in. And then I'm going to go in with my melt band and just tie down my hairline and allow it to dry. So now I'm just going to use my Dax and my BioSilk, and I'm going to spread that all over the hair and use my blow dryer to just blow dry the hair out. Once I finish that, I'm just removing my melt band and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting off the extra lace. So I always like to make a slit in the middle with my scissors and then use a pair of razor. This is like an eyebrow razor, and I just like to use that to cut off the lace.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll. Life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders. Yeah, I said we only getting older. Yeah, and tell me, are you coming over? I need to know. Is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's
now I'm just using my Tresemme holding spray, and I'm just gonna spray this along my hairline, and then I'm going to tie it back down with my melt band.
that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing.
Once I've left that to dry, I'm just going to take the melt band off, and then I am going to start styling my hair. So I decided I wanted to do 2 bangs at the front and then have a ponytail, like a half up, half down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to flatten out the hair, and then I am going to also go in with my wax stick.
This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve, see you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this, why you in a rush, know you got no business leaving, why you always leaving, know you want that repeat, yeah, it ain't no way around it, we got a range about us, you got your way about you, not much to say about it, still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready. I just wanna know.
So I also wanted to mention that when you're using the hot comb and wax stick, you always want to make sure that you are hot combing the hair in the direction you want it to be. So because I am doing a ponytail, I'm going to be using the wax stick going back and then using the hot comb over it, because I'm basically using it to mold the hair. So once the hair is slicked into the ponytail how I would like it, I'm gonna go ahead and use my band and just put it up into a ponytail. So as I said before, I am going to be doing like a half up, half down. So I only caught up half of it, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and curl the hair. So I will be using the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 holding spray again to just spray on the hair so that way the curls can hold. And this wand that I'm using is by Hot Tools, just in case you are wondering. So once I finish curling the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on my sideburns. So I'm just using my razor to cut them, and then I'm going to use my small flat iron and curl them. Then I'll be going in with my got2b free spray and my edge control brush, and I am just going to style them the way I want. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the bangs. So I am using my wax stick and my hot comb just to make the bangs a bit flatter. And then I'm also going to wand curl them so they match the back of my hair. So now that my hair is wand curled, I'm just going to stretch out the curl. It gives it more of a fluffy and fuller look. So that's how it's looking, and I think it looks better this way than to just leave the curl how they were. So that's what I am doing. I'm just using my hands now and brushing out the back. And then because I didn't do the ball cap method, I am just going in with my concealer to conceal the part because you were able to see the wig cap and like my hair. So I just used my concealer and the end of my tail comb and I just concealed it. So yeah, this is how it is looking. And of course I went in with my oil sheen once I was done everything and sprayed it. So guys, this is the final look. I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys how it's looking at the back. As I said before, I did that half up, half down look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. These curls looked really good. That wand did this hair some justice. But shout out to Arabella Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in this wig, as I said before, it is a highlighted frontal wig. If you guys are interested, there will be a link in my description box below, so you can go ahead, check it out. They do have other types of wigs and hair on their website. So yeah, that's all gonna be there for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, guys, let me know. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do next, because I do have a lot more videos coming. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.